Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Eiger grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights along with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. You also have 22-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a satin grey finish, really complementing the Eiger grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a large amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving to the rear seats now, you can find the ebony and light cloud leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest. As well as this, the rear seats are both heated and ventilated. Moving through the front, you can find that lovely upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey that you may take. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have everything you may need for any journey, including volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your information panel, you can see this vehicle has done 21,092 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. On your 13.1 infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. This vehicle also features Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. As well as this, you are also able to adjust your ride height, whether this from be normal, off-road or even accessible, making it easier to gain entry. You also have your different terrain modes, making this vehicle suited to most terrain. And as well as this, you also have your 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving on to your climate control, you do in fact have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. And as well as this, the front seats are both heated and ventilated as well. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.